Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to show you about my mini campaign. It's about polite or not, exploring the boundaries of behavior in modern society. Welcome to the modern era, where the boundaries of behavior are becoming increasingly blurred. We live in a world full of change, where social norms are constantly evolving. But what exactly is meant by polite in modern society? In modern society, we are often faced with situations that make us wonder what is polite and what is not. Is it about the way we speak, the way we dress, or the way we interact with others? We have to constantly navigate these boundaries while trying not to offend others. But what actually makes us feel that a certain behavior is polite or not? Is because of social norms or because of our personal experience? How do we determine what is polite and what is not in different situations? For example, in some culture, it's considered polite to remove your shoes before entering a home, while in others it's not. In modern society, we need to learn to be more flexible and adaptive. We need to learn to understand that what is polite in one place may not be polite in other. We need to learn to respect these differences while still maintaining our own values. This can be challenging, especially when we encounter situations that are unfamiliar to us. But how can we determine what is polite and what is not if we don't have a clear standard? How can we ensure that we don't offend others if we don't know what they expect from us? This is where empathy and active listening come in. By putting ourselves in others' shoes and listening to their perspective, we can better understand what is expected of us. This question makes us realize that the boundaries of behavior in modern society are not simple. We have to constantly navigate and adapt to the changes that are happening around us. But by understanding and respecting these differences, we can build a more harmonious and inclusive society. We can learn from each other's experience and perspective and grow as individuals and as a community. So, what is polite and what is not? The answer is not simple, but one thing is certain. We have to constantly strive to understand and respect these differences so that we can live together in harmony. We need to be open-minded, empathic, and willing to learn from others. In conclusion, the boundaries of behavior in modern society are complex and multifaceted. We need to be aware of the cultural, social, and personal factors that shape our understanding of politeness. By doing so, we can build stronger relationships, foster greater understanding, and create a more harmonious and inclusive society. But how can we apply this principle in our daily lives? How can we become more aware of the cultural and social differences that surround us? We can start by expanding our knowledge of other cultures and traditions, and by trying to understand the perspective of others. We also need to learn to manage conflicts and differences of opinion in a constructive way. We can do this by listening actively, speaking clearly and politely, and trying to understand the perspective of others. By doing so, we can build a more harmonious and inclusive society where everyone feels valued and respected. We can create better world where we can live together in harmony and mutual respect. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching and see you.